Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really easy heart keyring. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. I'm working with worsted weight cotton yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch to form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make 7 double crochet in the ring. 1. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's one side of the heart. Chain 2, 1, 2. Slip stitch in the top of that last double crochet. And now I'm going to make 7 more double crochet. I'm still carrying the yarn end along the outside of the ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in the ring. Now there's the yarn end. Now I can pull that yarn and close up the center of the heart. And I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to slip stitch back down in the ring like that. Fasten off, and now you can weave these yarn ends back in the finished work with a yarn needle. Like that. I have both yarn ends woven back in, and now you can attach your key ring, and there you have an easy heart key ring.